Hi kids! Today we're going to learn the ABCs together. Are you ready? Let's get started with the alphabet. A is for apple. Apples can be red, green, or yellow, and they make a yummy snack. B is for ball. Balls come in all sizes. Some are tiny like marbles, and some are huge like beach balls. C is for cat. Cats love to nap, and they can sleep up to 16 hours a day. D is for dog. Dogs can wag their tails when they're happy. Does your dog do that too? E is for elephant. Baby elephants can weigh as much as a car when they're born. F is for fish. Fish breathe underwater by using their gills. Isn't that amazing? G is for goat. Goats love to climb and can even jump on top of rocks or trees. H is for hat. Hats can protect your head from the sun, rain, or cold weather. I is for ice cream. Ice cream can be made in all kinds of flavors, even bubble gum. J is for juice. Fresh juice is squeezed from fruits like oranges, apples, or grapes. It's so tasty. K is for kite. When the wind blows, a kite flies high up in the sky. It's so much fun to watch. L is for lion. A lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away. What a loud sound. M is for moon. The moon looks like it's glowing at night because it reflects light from the sun. N is for nest. Birds build nests from twigs, leaves, and even string to keep their babies safe. O is for octopus. An octopus has 8 arms and it can squirt ink to escape from danger. P is for pizza. Pizza can have lots of different toppings like cheese, pepperoni, or vegetables. Q is for queen. A queen wears a crown, and in fairy tales, she often lives in a big castle. R is for rabbit. Rabbits love to hop and can jump really high with their strong back legs. S is for sun. The sun helps plants grow by giving them light and warmth every day. T is for tiger. Tigers are great swimmers and love to cool off in the water when it's hot. U is for umbrella. Umbrellas keep you dry in the rain. And some even have fun colors and patterns. V is for van. Vans can carry lots of people or things and are great for family trips. W is for watermelon. Watermelons are sweet and juicy. They're the perfect fruit to eat on a hot summer day. X is for xylophone. You play a xylophone by hitting the colorful bars to make different sounds. I is for yo-yo. A yo-yo goes up and down on a string, and with practice, you can do cool tricks. C is for zebra. Zebras live in groups called herds, and their stripes help them stay safe together. Wow! You've learned so much today. Your ABCs and fun facts. Keep practicing and learning new things every day. See you next time, and keep exploring the world around you. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you had fun, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And hit the subscribe button so you never miss a new video. See you next time.